It's Hugh again, and I'm at Bob's Steak and Chop House inside the Omni in Nashville. We're gonna meet with Randy, and we're gonna make a Manhattan. Ooh, ooh!
Hey Hugh, welcome to Bob's.
Hey Randy, I think we're making a Manhattan today.
We're gonna make a Manhattan with Woodford double oak.
Now, what makes it a double oak?
Double oak means it was aged in a barrel and then re-aged in another toasted charred barrel, rested for another time. So
Twice.
Rested twice.
Double oak.
Let's start. 3 ounces of the Woodford double oak.
Okay.
So there's a 2 ounce jigger and a 1 ounce on that one. So I'm gonna do 2 on this. We're gonna flip it over. Do 1 ounce. All right, we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of the Antica Carpano. I'll use the 2 ounce side and get it about 3/4 of the way up to 1.5 ounces. We're gonna hit it with about 4 shots of the orange bitters. This is very intense. I'm gonna just do 1 shot of that, just for a little bit of structure.
Just to cut it.
Now we're gonna do a little thing called chipping.
I know, with the crooked
Yes.
spoon.
Yes, very high tech. It's just a strainer and a bar spoon.
Looks like it needs to be straightened out, but that's not the
Well, we're gonna
case.
straighten you out with get a couple of these down here, babe. So you're gonna do that, get a little bit of ice float in there.
Doesn't it look gorgeous, like an amber color? Stunning.
And then we're gonna get some of this syrup with the
Yes,
Luxardo
yes,
cherry, which is amazing. We're gonna see how old Hugh likes this one.
Oh, here we go. Down the hatch. Mmm, delish. It's up to Hugh, New York. Stunning.